it's Jill with another orientation video for you. Today I'm going to go over the MyKW login and navigating MyKW. Keep in mind MyKW is our old platform and we are moving to Command. I'm going to do a video showing you how to do that as well. But MyKW is where we are still doing a lot of stuff. It still is important, and I'm going to show you what you need to know. So first of all, you open up your web browser. We strongly recommend that you use Chrome. Keller Williams has a partnership with Google, and so all of our new tools and platform and everything works best on Chrome. So you're going to go to open a Chrome browser, and you're going to type mykw.kw.com, and it's going to take you to the login sheet. I sent you a password sheet with all your logins and passwords, so go ahead and log yourself in and take a look at that. So I'm going to log myself in here. Your KW login is always some variation of your initial and your last name. Once you get in here, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to check your profile. There's going to be a generic picture of the KW logo right here. It would be fantastic if you could put your own picture there. So you're going to want to hit profile, and you're going to want to verify all the information that's here. So you'll be able to click on this right here where it says upload agent photo. You'll be able to change the KW logo and put your own beautiful face right there. You can see I'm involved with the Market Center, so I've got different roles than you will see, so don't worry, yours will be different here. But make sure your first and last name, your username is going to be set already. Make sure your Market Center address is correct. Make sure the phone numbers that you want available are correct. As business phone number, I will put the Market Center phone number there and your mobile number here. If you want your mobile number in both places, go ahead and change that and update that. If your mobile carrier is not AT&T, go ahead and pick the one that's actually correct. Mine is incorrect, so I'm going to go ahead and fix this and show you. I have Sprint. But the reason you want to do this is because if you get some leads, they will get routed to your cell phone. You'll get text messages and stuff. So you want to make sure that that is correct. Here is a biography. This is a generic biography. Please definitely, when you have time, write yourself a fantastic glowing review so people will know why they need to choose you so that you can be their customer service representative in finding a brand new home. Whatever your slogan and catchphrases are, sell yourself. Find your value proposition. Especially if you're new to real estate, you've got all kinds of reasons why you would be the best agent. For example, when I was selling, my value proposition is that I've been in sales and customer service for over 20 years. I've bought and sold real estate multiple times personally, so I understand how the buyers and the sellers feel. Simple things like that. So think about your value proposition and write yourself a fantastic biography. Specialize. Are you going to specialize in residential, commercial, luxury, whatever it may be? Maybe you have a little slogan. And if you speak other languages, if you want to connect your YouTube, you would just paste a little link in there. Answer all the questions. Make sure it's all accurate. This is where you could change password recovery. Maybe you want to make sure that this goes to your personal email instead of your KW or vice versa. All you have to do is hit save, and it's going to save all the changes or anything that you may have made. So it says it saved successfully, so I'm going to go ahead and close that. I'm going to go back to MyKW. So this e-edge control panel is the way that we used to do our business, but now with Command, we've moved all of that over to Command. But it is still there, so you know what, I'm going to switch this. I am a part of another Market Center. Okay, there. Yours should say Smyrna Vinings 372, just to make sure that you're on the right one. You want it to be connected. So up here, all of these buttons work. They all have great information. If you go into education, it's going to take you into the KW University portal all kinds of videos, classes. It's amazing. So feel free to go in there and search. Under the home, there's new associate information. This will take you to KW Connect. KW Connect is our social media for KW agents, if you will. It's a way for KW agents to connect. Right now, it has videos, and that's where you can cite training classes, when Gary live streams. You can also get to that by typing kwconnect.com and logging in there. MAPS coaching is typically for agents who have been in the business and they've hired a MAPS coach to help them, hold them accountable, help them set goals, and to grow and build their business. Marketing, we are not really using these marketing tools in here, but if you'd like, go explore. Technology, definitely this is a button you need to be familiar with. This will take you straight to command. You can get to command by typing agent.kw.com, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to do that. Like I said, e-edges, we're not really using that anymore. KWLS is the listing service. KWLS is going to pull everything from our FMLS and our Georgia MLS. Right now we are still doing green sheets. They are going away in 83 days, but if you have a contract between now and then, you're going to need to do a green sheet. This will take you directly to your KW email. It will open up the Google Gmail page and let you log in. This is an important one. Change your password. Let's say, for example, you need to change your KW password to get in. You can do it right here. This will take you, this KW email will take you to the back side of your email where you can change passwords, where you can update stuff. It'll also take you straight to your email, depending on what you click on. So, resources. These are some other tools. Go ahead and dig in there. Events, this is where you'll find information about family reunion, mega camp, and all that good stuff. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of the page. You can find out about different things that are going on with Keller Williams International. This will take you straight to Gmail. This will take you, it's like a White Pages phone book. You can search any market center for Keller Williams and any agent within Keller Williams. The one button that is very important that I think you all need to know about, and which is why it's important that I was on our correct market center, is this one right here. This is the one you need to know, My Market Center Intranet. So when I click on this, this takes me from Keller Williams International to now Keller Williams Smyrna Cityside. So in here, you can see posts from our agents, things that are happening, things that are coming up. This is a great way to let all of your fellow agents know what's happening, make announcements. It's a great way to see who's got new listings. Maybe you've got a buyer that has a really specific need and you've looked at everything that's on the market, and then somebody posts a just listed and it's exactly what you needed. So this is how this can be very helpful. We've got links to our alliance partners. I like to say that our alliance partners are our home field advantage. They are part of our family. They are here in our building. I know Matt and Hunter and Phil with Supreme and Lisa are all over the top, amazing lenders. They go above and beyond for our agents and our agents' clients. They are all like us. They work on commission, so they work with their cell phones. They are available evenings and weekends, and they go above and beyond to take care of us and our clients. So get to know them, reach out to them so that you can feel comfortable referring them to your clients, because it's a win-win for everybody. David Perry is our closing attorney that is our alliance partner. He's got a closing office and staff right here in our building on the back side of the building. So if your clients are going to use David Perry for closings, just make sure that they know to drive around to the back of the building, and there's a separate entrance right there. And they're going to be taken care of to the best of David's team's ability, and they are amazing. They've done a bunch of closings for me when I was working as an agent. Okay. If you want to post something, all you have to do is click Add a Post. Super easy. It's going to open up and you get to decide what kind of post is it. Well, you all are associates, so more than likely that's going to be what you're doing. And then do you have an announcement, a listing, a buyer or vendor, an open house? Click on one of these, fill in the information, and hit save. It's pretty easy and very user friendly, so feel free to do that. Our calendar. You can access the calendar right here by clicking on this. You can also access it by going to Market Center. And here you can see more detailed information about our Market Center. You can see who has birthdays coming up. Oh, look, there's 2 birthdays today and Bill's birthday's tomorrow. So you can see we've got all kinds of fun stuff going on right here. You can view the calendar here or here. I'm going to go ahead and click this so you can see. And this is our calendar. And you can see we've got all of our agents' birthdays. This was March. We are now getting towards the end of March. And because we've got the coronavirus thing going on right now, you can see our calendar is empty because we're not doing any in the training room trainings. We're doing all live streams, and we're taking advantage of all the great education that's coming out of KW Connect right now. So if you want to get rid of those birthdays because it feels like it's too much on the calendar, you can do that. You can put it back. The purple is coaching stuff, power up and group coaching. We can get rid of that or put it back. But these are the classes that we had earlier in the month. And then you can click and you can see, you can see an event if you click on it. And it gives you a little bit more detail, the time, how long it's going to be. So that's how you can see events in our calendar. So that's the calendar. We also have documents in here. Kathleen and I are going to work on improving these documents and updating them and putting all kinds of great stuff in here for you. So this is an area that you can go dig through, look around, find what you like, and we're going to do our best to add more. Okay? So the start button takes us back to this announcements, and I can click on this My KW over here, or I can click to return to My KW. It'll take me back to my main page, and this is mykw.kw.com. Don't be afraid, go in, explore, check things out, and that's all you need to do. Bye.